Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Tubi TV. First, open your Google browser and in the search bar, type tubitv.com and enter. And here we can see we just landed to Tubi TV homepage, and on the top right corner, and here's an option that says account settings. You have to select that option, and let's scroll all the way to the down. And here's this option that says delete my account, and it also says that deleting your account from Tubi TV will remove your list and history and unlink the devices associated with it. So select the option that says delete account, and here would also be some reasons that you can pick, or you can just simply click on other reasons and click on the submit, and you have to enter your password below to proceed your deletion of this Tubi TV account. So you can simply type your password and click on this delete button, and you'll be successfully deleted the Tubi TV account. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.